Check, check, check. Okay, let's go. So today, big pump on Bitcoin, but now Bitcoin has a nice return due to maybe a Coinbase malfunction. And what is happening now? What is happening? Something very interesting is happening, after which we may see huge explosion in all our altcoins. So what is it? Let's go. Hello and welcome to 321 Crypto. I am not financial advisor and I will not gonna give you advice on any of your portfolios. However, I'm saying what I'm doing and what I can see from charts. So let's go. So today, Bitcoin, on the time of the recording, in the Polish version of the video, Bitcoin had more than 62,000, went to 64, and then suddenly flash. So now look, I was saying that remember to take something for yourselves. And now look, small pullback created massive pullbacks in altcoins. Look at DOT, for example. DOT was going nicely up, and suddenly a pullback of 11% was done. So Bitcoin just only flash crash. What was the flash crash of Bitcoin? 8%. Alt 11%. What will happen if Bitcoin will pull back 30% or 50%? So let's say what will happen if Bitcoin will return to what is it, 30%? About, let's say 25% is 48. What about 35? Altcoins will be crashed for 50, 60, 70, 80%. Yep. So now you can see how we are operating here. So anyway, look what is very interesting. At the moment, Bitcoin dominance is growing all the time. It's mooning. However, price is not mooning. What is happening? People are selling altcoins, okay, and a little bit of stable coins and Ethereum to Bitcoin. That's why Bitcoin is still hovering, okay. However, alt no. And now look what is happening. If Bitcoin dominance, look, if I was showing this yesterday, I think, a Bitcoin dominance, if it's gonna move through this section, which is a low volume and node, look, low volume and node, here, nothing is happening here, nothing is here. So the dominance, I'm hoping, is gonna go jump here to about 60%. Here we have our levels, okay, and the levels, look, here we have a 161 extension. We have a normal golden pocket resistance from this distance, and we have a 60% level. So plus volume and node. So this is the resistance here. I reckon for 60 to 62%. Then if this dominance will have a pullback, we're gonna see superb altcoin season, and this could happen at the weekend. If we're gonna be lucky, this could happen at the weekend because it's so fast. So I'm gonna show you one thing. Let's go to add here dominance, alt dominance. So alt dominance. So look, if Bitcoin is losing dominance, alts are getting traction. I'm just gonna switch off this for a second. If Bitcoin is getting dominance, alts are losing. If Bitcoin is losing dominance, alts are gaining. If Bitcoin is gaining dominance, alt are losing. And now Bitcoin is getting dominance, so alt are losing dominance. What's gonna happen if Bitcoin will go to 60% and then fall? We're gonna have a altcoin season. And look how this thing looks like on the alt season, on altcoins. Look, we're gonna take a look. Alt were in that channel, corrective channel, and now if it's A, here we're looking at B, and we're gonna go to C. So here I'm looking at the 50-60% retracement. I mean 40% retracement, which is Fibonacci golden pocket or 50. And here we could start movement upwards, which gonna be our alt season. So I'm hoping we're gonna go down here before weekend, and then at the weekend we're gonna be smoking cigars. So this is what I would like to tell you. Okay, at the moment Bitcoin is holding because dominance is growing, because people are selling altcoins to Bitcoin, and not necessarily they are cashing out because stablecoins dominance is not growing. So I would kind of show this. I would like to show you the sweat, but I'm gonna tell about the sweat few other things, and few coins that I was showing yesterday. Scallop. Still, what coins I'm gonna look at. So once these dominances are, once the Bitcoin dominance is growing, find coins that have this neckline. Coins that are very close to break the neckline, finally they're gonna break it. And these coins gonna start doing something like this. So I'm hoping we're gonna have a superb season in March before something bad will happen, okay? Before something bad will happen. So token, for example, token is retesting here as well levels. What else? Octa. Oh, Octa is a very good example. Look, Octa is retesting now this neckline, went through the neckline, retested, bam, and now the bigger retest. And if Octa will hold on here, that's the new level of Octa. So I'm counting that these tokens will gonna have something like this. CAS looks like this blue one is, look, this blue one is Tau pattern. CAS is looks like very similar. Look, very similar. What else? Chilis, same thing. Nice breakout from this channel. Now retesting that channel. Yeah, no problem. So what else? So I was looking at Scallop. I was looking at this March. This is the coin that I'm looking at. It is preparing to break out this channel. You can buy this at KuCoin. Okay, I'm counting to get like 100-200% from it. This is the AI data project, which will introduce the next upgrade on the platform, which gonna support some AI indexing of data. I don't know. So that's something that I'm looking at the moment. And there are 1 or 2 coins. One moment. Yeah, Fidium, nice retrace. So nice. XFAI, which coin I'm looking at now? Farcana. Oh, Farcana has a nice run up today. Didn't see that now. Bake 6, nice. Bake 6, something is there. I didn't check. What else I was looking at? Volt. Oh yes, Volt. So Volt is now retracing. Watch out, because tomorrow is a new month. Yeah, tomorrow's a new month. Watch out, because tomorrow there is, or 4th of March, there is a summit that Volt will be added as well, and I think that's why this is pumping as well. There are gonna be few others. It's Ethereum. I don't remember what the name is of that summit. It's a loud summit now. So watch out on Volt. It may pump as well. And that would be it for now. So I'm just telling you all the coins. Okay, just summary. All these coins which having now some retests, or they are banging in some sort of neckline. Once this Bitcoin dominance will fall, expect heavy gains. And then don't forget to take something for yourself. And why I'm thinking this? Look, VanEck launches NFT marketplace and digital asset platform segment. So another NFTs now. This is kind of nice, man. Me taking profits. Yes. But it could 10x and then gone. Okay, and then gone. Look, what world economy has a growing chance to soft landing, G20 says, yeah? So look, G20 thinks that it's going to be soft landing. Banks, when the banks are tightening, when the banks are tightening standards, inflation is going down. Banks are tightening, inflation is going down. Inflation is going down. So we can see that people are not buying because inflation, because they don't have the money. Janet Yellen says that monetary tightening is at risk to global outlook. So they can see that, hello, these interest rates that have been high so long, people cannot buy anything. Look, this is the sentiment. Since 4 months in a row, people are negative. People are afraid. So what do you think? Will this support inflation boom or maybe deflation? Okay, or maybe deflation. People not spending, people are counting every single penny. If they are counting every single penny, it means they are not spending. If they are not spending, inflation is going down. If inflation is going down, economy is going down, right? Very simple, very simple, very simple. This is other sectors as well, DIY customers, hesitant to spend on big ticket purchases for their homes. Again, people are saving money. Lowest scale suffer as home improvement slowdown persists. So people don't buy anything. US business equipment orders barely rise as firms rethink plans. So we are getting to this level that durable goods are not being ordered in so heavy, in some heavy quantities. You know, durable goods are goods for 2-3 years, yeah? Like kettles, you know, just something for 2-3 years, not like something for a month. So people are, firms are rethinking their plans because they don't see that the rates will go down on horizon. And this is exactly what we are expecting. Exactly. Look at this. I was showing this many times, but I'm going to show this one more time. Yeah. You know this song? Where is it? Where is it? That's a 10 US yield. 10, governmental bonds, 10 US yield. Okay, look. Now we have this drop down and we have a B. They are exactly returning at the B level. It means that the bond market is checking, okay? Once this yield will be going down, it means that rates will probably go down. And that's why the bond market is checking, because at the moment they keep all the money in a Fed funding facility where they are getting risk-free 5.5%. But if they're going to have inside info that Fed will be lowering down, they will buy bonds, which are at the moment at 4.2% 2 yearly yield from bonds. Look, it's exactly at our level. They were here, and we described that if they're going to return here, they are returning exactly at this point. We will see our momentum that first S&P achieve all-time high, okay? 0.2 yield will go down. Fed will start rescuing the market. What is happening then? Flash crash on stocks. So everything is now making sense. We just have to wait. Because firms, that's how it looks. That's probably how it look like in 2008 and 2018. But I haven't seen that plan before. You know, I haven't mapped that before. Telegram, to share 50% of its ad revenue with the channel owners. So I think everyone, because Ton coin explode on this message, I think this is something new. Like, you remember UNISWAP announced that token holders will have a revenue share. Revenue share is a fundament of Web 3.0. You have the revenue share, you own something, and you are getting money for your time if you play the game, yeah? So be eligible to earn and have the ownership. That's the two fundamentals. And then in gaming, to be rewarded for your time, because you can achieve everything in the game and sell everything which you have achieved, okay? So that's something new. And now everyone is doing the same thing. So just tell me for a second, what's gonna be a difference between stocks, traditional markets, and crypto? Stocks will come to crypto. That's why we're gonna have a huge evaluations, okay? Huge. Let's go further. So that's only my image for Polish. Look, nice, and then we have a darkish red. So we are waiting now for this dominance to fall. Rosneft, yes, watch out for Rosneft. Rosneft is gonna give within 48 hours it will launch on XAGX, so there's gonna be some volume. And I have Rosnet, no, I have Rosnet here, Rosnet. So now they are accumulating here, okay? So expect some pumping, because they, like, the price didn't go down. Expect pumps, expect pump on this XAGX listing, okay? And then, you know, take what is yours, take what is yours, expect pump. Rosnet is allowing render machine, actually 3D modeling, to 3D models to be generated using GPU power and so on. And I think they are integrated with Blender, and with they have a connections also with the Unreal Engine. So it's like so it's in demand. Project is in demand. Watch out on Rosnet. Watch out on Rosnet. What else here we have? Yeah, Balaji. Like how many? Look, how many currencies actually they were depreciated in Bitcoin. That's why bankers don't want us to keep everything in crypto. Now this is nice, ma'am. Look, like I like crypto because it's like, look, it's yours. Look, hodlers, yes, let's go. So I like this. I like this because, like, in crypto, if something is moving, like memes generated, especially hype, it's just here. It's just like super, you know, Luna gone. Oh Jesus, yes. Oh, we are losing. $200 buyer, and we are going minus 50%. Peter Schiff, the man that want to die. 20k support. Short traders. Jesus, that's... I like to watch this thing, you know. Anyway, you can watch this thing at in X, in Twitter, yeah. Exec urges JP Morgan CEO do more homework on Bitcoin. So basically, JP Morgan Chase said something in the latest interview that I don't care about Bitcoin. I don't care about Bitcoin. I don't care about Bitcoin. And look, everything is now happening that the Bitcoin will be a demand asset for investment trust. That I was showing you yesterday, that Fidelity was actually moving their portfolio ratio to 3% to Bitcoin, to crypto. What will happen if this 3% will be 6% soon? You know, like, people deserve the gains as well. Like, we can see that the gold ETF explode when it was introduced. So why not Bitcoin? Like, how much you need to pump in S&P 500 to get 50%? How much you need to pump in Bitcoin to get 50%? Very easy, right? Very easy. Sweatcoin. So Sweatcoin, I think Sweatcoin will gonna explode soon once the season for move to earn will be back. Okay, so look, all these coins, they are trying to close this bracket here, and I'm hoping we can achieve this while the Bitcoin dominance will fall. So remember that this fresh news from this move to earn coins will probably gain after March, maybe April. And there's one more thing I want to tell you about Sweatcoin. So Sweat Economy is aiming towards account abstraction. So basically, they will have technology which gonna adopt more crypto users. For example, people don't have to remember their phrases, private keys, and so on. I know it's good to have this thing, but you know, some people maybe they don't want to. And then Sweat Economy will be able to create user accounts and manage there for them, because that's what people are doing, you know. And the whole integration will become a way better. So I have Sweatcoins, okay, I have Sweatcoins. And you can download their app and you can actually see how everything is working there. It's working. It's like everything is here. So this movement is just starting. This movement is just starting. So what do we have here? What we have here, yes. Yes. So now everyone is kind of altcoin market cap. Yeah. So everyone is pushing altcoin. So the last altcoin cap was in around the last bull market cap was about 3 trillions. Yeah. This one I would expect it's gonna be 6 or even 9. So it's in demand. Padre. So 5 days left. Okay. Until 5 days. It's like 28. Yeah. 5 days until Padre will release its pre-sale. Padre is this bot that I was showing you yesterday, where we can trade with the stop losses, with taking profits, normally using UNISWAP. Plus, we're not getting into the trap of so-called sandwich bots, yeah, MEV bots, yeah, where they create a sandwich from you. And I was explaining this, how this is working yesterday. When you know you're gonna buy at this level, suddenly you have a slippage at this level. So this bot buying from you before you, and then it's selling you here, and he's taking this small margin and doing this, let's say 100 times, he can earn a couple of millions a day. Yeah. So watch out. I'm using Padre, and I already invested in Padre, so it's gonna be nice ride. Padre, once the Padre will add multi-swap, so multi-chain, so different chains, man, it's gonna be just awesome to trade. Awesome. What is look, this is my KYC issue. Look, Alea Quel's community fears following leak KYC. So this weekend, know your KYC information leaked. About 10 participants from a recent Aleo Learn and Earn event was mistakenly exposed to other Aleo community members through copy and paste in error in email data. So like if I'm giving my precious data to somebody and somebody is just, you know, messing with this, like I want to have a KYC on blockchain, then I'm signing my information, and then blockchain knows that it's me, and the exchange or whoever wants, he have to trust the protocol, and then just, okay, this person was verified previously, fine. And nobody keeps my data, only my data is encrypted inside the blockchain. And this is rubbish. Nobody cares about your data. Nobody. 9 stocks powered 40% of S&P. So that's what I'm looking at. If you have your retirement portfolio, let's say, so most of this is probably installed in S&P 500. So now, like these financial advisors, oh yeah, diversify, yes, 500 companies, but like it's only 10 of them, or 8 of them. 1 second. Yeah, it's 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They said 10 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 9. Yeah. So look, and two of them, they have almost kind of 7%. Then 3 of them, they are around 5%, and then rest it's like a 3%. So basically, 5 companies are keeping the entire S&P 500. If these 5 companies will tank, S&P will tank, and then your your retirement portfolio will dump as well. So these people are managing accounts, and they don't care. That's what it is. More people are opening eyes now that these people don't care. It's a very simple strategy: dollar in, dollar out. They don't buy your stocks in portfolio. Oh, they are waiting on this moment, buy the dip. No, they just buy as is. Buy as is. As is the state. That's the truth. Everyone is light. Oh, that's the kind of Polish side of it. Yep. That would be it. I just want to see that the XTB is now connecting with BlackRock to promote in Spain, okay, investing in ETFs. So soon it's going to be available to everyone, and every broker will be in demand to serve Bitcoins. So that's it. Take care, and remember, Bitcoin dominance down, we're going to have alt season.